Hello friends and welcome to Maths Tutorial Sessions channel. In this tutorial or in this lesson, we shall solve the following equations. The first equation is x squared into x squared minus 9 is equals to 0. The second equation is 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now, let us start with the first equation. The first equation, which is number 1, which is x squared into x squared minus 9 is equals to 0. Now, if we have something like this, or if we have an equation like this, we know that this part is equals to 0, and also this part which is inside bracket is also equals to 0. Now, let us write it. X squared is equals to 0, or x squared minus 9 is equals to 0. Now, in order to eliminate the square roots, in order to eliminate the squared, we need to apply the square root on both sides here. So we will have square root of x squared is equals to 0 under square root, or here we can do two things. We can factorize the difference of two squares, or we can transpose -9 and apply the square root on both sides. But let us factorize the difference of two squares by opening the brackets equals to 0 and put factors. Factors are gonna be x minus 3 and x plus 3. Then here x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 3, or x is equals to -3. Right, we are done with number 1. Now let us move to our equation number 2, which is 6x squared plus 3x plus 13x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now we can see that this equation is complicated. If you have an equation like this, you can apply the equation. We can say a is equals to 6, b is equals to 13, and c is equals to -5. Now, since we have this type of an equation, we can apply the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula, which is x is equals to -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now we can substitute since we know a, b, and c. We will have -13 plus or minus square root 13 squared minus 4a is 6, c is negative 5. Please make sure that the square roots covers everything. Right. All over 2 times 6. Right. You need to put this information in a calculator. X is equals to negative 2, 38, or x is equals to 0, 21 if we round off into 2 decimal places. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to Math Tutorial Sessions YouTube channel, and also click on the bell in order to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye.